Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a coaster using online Tinkercad program. Since Easter is coming, we'll design an Easter themed coaster. Let's get started. I start with making the basic shape of the egg, then proceed to make an indent where our decorations will be. Next will be the decorations, using the scribble function to create a wavy pattern and the basic shape like circles and hearts. The height of the patterns will matter later when I slice them on the slicer for printing. Once the design is complete, I merge them together. You'll know it's merged when all the objects turn into one color. Now we are going to slice the design for printing using a slicer program. I'll be using Prusa Slicer for today. Select the design and click on the export button. We'll be converting this to a STL file. Once downloaded, import the file into the slicer program. I'll be printing with 4 different colors: white, green, yellow, and red, using the layering function shown on the right hand side. This is where the different layer heights come in play. Once done, press the slice button and export it out to the SD card for printing. Here is a time lapse of the printing process. As you can see, I have to change the filament at the layers indicated for the change of color. When the print is complete, stringing can be seen, but it can be removed by secondary processing using a heat gun or a penknife. Here's our final coaster product. You can use it for yourself or as a gift. I hope this video helps to show the process of 3D printing. Thank you for watching.